what up? See what's on the snack on. Look, the Aristotle with a grotto. Versatile can hurt the flow, cause I mix it just like mulattoes. Put your hell into my nostrils. The cannabis, I'm like an analyst, the way I spot flows. Assassin Desmond in the enemies, the way I cut those. Captain Price, the way I stop you niggas, better get low. I'm Mario, but I don't save these hoes, man, I just get gold. And I play them just like Nintendo. Look, I'm player one, but it's no co-op, nigga. You say you hard, but you soft for sound like a bug pop, nigga. I'm in the mansion with Annie's throwing they panties and handing me perfect bust, man. Them shits is looking like missile stars. Fucking hit it while I treat liquor just like it's aqua. My squad in here taking shots, feeling like I'm in Gaza. Pop, pop, like ARs off from the hypno laser. Sights on my rifle, trace balls, dope with that 01 maze bars. A-stars, hateful like that. Hop on the mic and broke like that. One day you'll sell out shows like that. Till then, just bring that flow right back. Till then, just bring that flow right back. Running circles round niggas, y'all living cul-de-sac. My fucking problem is the niggas always boosted like a seat for a Tyler. I'm wilder than George Clooney off that tiger blood. A nigga ballin' just like Michael was. Cause ACR, we on the web just like a spider with beat. These bitches going for the squad, it's not a problem for me. I let these hoes choose. I got these groupies on my nuts, is what the flow do. And we the Don's Godfather, always slaughtering beats. See us on Pro Tools, nigga. See y'all. This is my hypothesis, runners to the apocalypse. With the flow that's monstrous, people think I'm an optimist. Good guy, nah, I'm just the opposite. I cop a lot of brain, they call me Mr. Esophagus. I'm on a mission to live what I have envisioned on my television, except with color reception. Ain't the baddest women on earth for my projection, and 100 armed niggas for only my protection. The sky is the limit, the stars my expedition. So my ambition to win is way past the competition. Nobody greater, there is no opposition. Under no condition am I walking into this game without ammunition. While most of y'all was dreaming, I was having premonitions of a life as a musician with ultimate recognition. So I guess faith means more than superstition. That's why I'm grabbing tits and ass without permission, cause my looks, my hooks, and most important, intuition. Yeah, my flow breaks hoes off, shows off, takes the clothes off, and beats the pussy up until she doze off. Rubbing down her body, man, them legs so soft. And I fucked her with a condom, but she think I'm so raw.